Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Facebook app. Now from here what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you're inside here what you need to do is simply tap on your settings, or simply scroll down and then tap on logout. And now if you have multiple accounts, all the accounts will be displayed right here. Now in order to remove an account, what you need to do is just simply tap on the account that you want to remove and then tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you are there, here you'll be seeing an option that says remove profile. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on remove profile, and now then tap on remove once again, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.